So you're making 84,000 naira. Man, that is a fucking money. That is good money. But this platform, you use dollar to start up. You know, you can convert, like if you have 84,000 naira. What you need to do, you convert it to Ethereum. I advise you to use Ethereum because Ethereum is giving a higher percentage. Ethereum give 1.4%, while Bitcoin give 1.2%. So if you are start up with Ethereum has a good feature. Now let's look at Ethereum now. How much is one Ethereum? If you are starting with what Ethereum, let's just say US dollar Ethereum to $1. Now, what Ethereum? Wow, it had increased, man. This is cool money. What Ethereum was $190. Recently, you are starting with one Ethereum. That means you are starting with 218 point something dollar. But if you are starting with 2 Ethereum, let's just say you are starting with 2 Ethereum. That means you are starting with 40 something thousand, $437.8. Now, how can you get this Ethereum? And how can you convert this naira to Ethereum? If you know anybody that sell Bitcoin, you can buy the Bitcoin. Then from Bitcoin, you convert it to Ethereum. You can do that on your blockchain. I get it. It's very, very simple. Very, very simple to do. So you can get Ethereum. That means a Bitcoin dollar now is 360 times, let's say 400. Okay, 360 times 400, we're going to be giving you this particular amount of money, 144,000. But if you are starting with let's say you are starting with $500, that means you are starting $500, you are starting with 180,000. You can start off with 200,000, you can start off with 50,000, you can start off with 100,000, any amount you can start off with. It's not necessary that you're going to be starting out with 200,000 naira. You can start out with $100, which $100 should be 360 times 100, 36,000. You can start out with $50. So you can start out with one Ethereum, which is $200. So are you getting me? I don't know if you are with me. So you can start out with any amount. So we get this. You can get Bitcoin, then convert it to Ethereum. I'm going to be showing you how to do that now. So if you want to convert your Bitcoin to Ethereum, first you're going to be doing is I don't know if you don't have this application, you can go online. If you have a Bitcoin address, a Bitcoin blockchain address, you can go online. If you don't have, contact me there. I'm going to be showing you how to be creating that and how you'll be getting your coin as well. So I downloaded this application. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to pause this video. Okay, that doesn't matter. That's nothing is there. So I just log in. Now my coin, I've sold them at finish. So here is I have $2 Ethereum. So I have all my Ethereum. I've converted them. I use them in trade. I don't usually withdraw. So first I'm going to be doing is coming here, exchanger. When you come to this place, look at this place, exchanger. I'm showing how to exchange Ethereum or Bitcoin to Ethereum or Ethereum to Bitcoin. You can change Bitcoin Cash to Ethereum or exchange Ethereum to Bitcoin or Bitcoin to Ethereum. You can do that. It's very, very simple. So what I'm going to be doing right now is to click on the exchange. Now when I click on the exchange, we have new exchange. This is the one I've exchanged so far. The one I've exchanged so far. This is the amount I've exchanged so far. Sometime I received Ethereum, then I convert them to Bitcoin. So I click on exchanger. So exchange, this is convert from Bitcoin to Ethereum. If you have Bitcoin, you can convert from Bitcoin to Ethereum. Now after you have been paid, you can convert from Ethereum to Bitcoin. So what I'm going to do is you can click here, Ethereum to Bitcoin. And then what you need to do is or Bitcoin to Ethereum. You can buy Bitcoin. If you have Bitcoin, you can convert it here. Then what you need to do is type in the amount in dollar. Let's say $200. Then the amount in dollar will appear here. Have you seen it? Amount in dollar will appear here, 190 something, blah blah blah. Then click on exchange. Done. This official form because I don't have enough money. When I click on exchange, you exchange it to dollar. Though there is a little transaction fee that's going to be charging you. So that's how you can exchange your Bitcoin to Ethereum. So let me calculate how much I'm making in a month. I started this platform with 200,000 naira. So that 200,000 I started with. I'm doing what we call reinvestment. In order for you to make enough money on this platform, you will do what we call reinvestment. Now, for example, let me open my Telegram and show you something. let me open my Telegram and see how you're gonna be starting this platform, how you're gonna be making money on this platform. So we have calculated how much you'll be making in a month. You'll be making it. If I started with 200,000 naira, that will be making, which is $560 or whatever. You'll be making 84,000. If you don't make this money, call me a fraudster. If you don't make this particular money on that month, call me a fraudster. I'm gonna be exploring the secret of my wealth. I'm gonna be exploring the secret on how I make my money online. Okay, let's proceed. Now I'm gonna be, first of all, you need to do is first of all you get Telegram. I believe most of you know Telegram. How to get Telegram? Go to your Google Play Store. If you're using an Android, go to Google Play Store. If you're using Apple, go to your Apple Store. So this is my Google Play Store. What I'm gonna be doing is okay, Telegram. This is Telegram. Then you install it. I already installed it on my phone. Then when you install it, they will ask you to put your phone number. When you put your phone number, they're gonna send you a verification code, or they're gonna call you to make sure that the number you put there is actually working and you're the owner. So after you put in the number, then I will give you a link. Are you getting me? I'll give you a link. I will drop my link, my referral link, because you can't register it without having a link. I'll give you a link. What you're going to do, after you've installed the Telegram, then you activated your number, then click on the link below. I'm going to be dropping a link on below of this description. Click on the link below. It will automatically open to Telegram. So let me show you something now. Let me get my link. So this is my account that I will be showing you everything. So this is my link. Okay, I copy it. Now let's say, for example, the link, I'm sending the link on my WhatsApp. So let's just say, okay, all right, down, let's say this is the link. This is my Telegram. Please, this particular one is only for Telegram, for Ethereum. If you want to do Bitcoin, I won't advise you to do Bitcoin, because the Bitcoin price is not steady now. If you are do Ethereum, even though you have Bitcoin, you can exchange it to Ethereum. I've shown you have to do that already. So don't going to be going through stress looking for where to buy Ethereum. If you can buy Bitcoin, then you convert it to Ethereum. I don't know if you are with me. So I click on this particular link. So the browser will now ask you to select. If you have Ethereum, if you have Telegram already, it will come up. Just say okay, just once, then it will load. So then when it loads, it will show you to start. Are you getting me? Then you click on start, because I'm already there. Then when you click on start, they'll ask you to put your language. To select language, you select English. After you select English, now they will show you your balance. Your balance will be 0. Are you getting me? Your balance here will be what? Will be 0. But before I proceed on this platform, first let me show you how you'll be making your money and how much I make so far on this platform. So let's proceed. Sorry, this is my account. Now, first of all, I registered this platform last year September, and that last year September, I've made money. When I say money, I've made money that keeping me going in life. That in a month, I don't even bother that I don't even bother to look for to let's say also very well. Just with my phone, I'm making my money. All you need to do is to start up. So first of all, if you want to check your balance, come here. Now this is my balance. Now I withdraw last week. I'm going to be showing you proof now. Now this is my total investment. My total my year is so let me show you something. Okay. Now here is the money I've earned so far. Sorry, my dear. I'm doing a mistake here. Okay. Okay, here is my account balance 0.4. This 0.4 should be about 100, and I withdrew last week. Are you getting me? $100 and something. Are you getting me? This is the amount. So total investment Ethereum. This is 3 point something Ethereum, and active investment. I have the active investment, means the money I'm using currently that I'm trading is 2 point something Ethereum. So my total earning, I've earned 4 point something Ethereum. This 4 point something Ethereum, since I started, now we're going to be checking how much I made, total earning, how much I've earned so far, 4.57 Ethereum. Now let's calculate and see how much I made so far, and I've withdrawn all this money. I'm not telling you to invest. Now this 4.5789 Ethereum is $1,000. It's $1,100 something dollar. Yes, 1 Ethereum is $200, 3 Ethereum is $600, 4 Ethereum is $800, 5 Ethereum is $1,000. But I make 4.578, which is $100. Which is $1,000. I've made $1,000 since I started this platform last year. Now let's look at $1,000. Just the money I've earned. I still have 3 Ethereum. 3 Ethereum running on my platform. The money I've earned totally is $1,000. That means 360 times 1,000. 360,000 that I made totally. Minus the money I used in starting. Minus the money, the gain I've made. Minus my own money. You can see I have a 3 Ethereum running already. So now I'm going to be showing you how you can deposit money and how much you made. Let's say if I sign with the Ethereum, well, look here now. When you look here, you see that I have a contract with them. I have a contract with them running. So now let's see. So now I have contract with them running already. Look at this particular one now. I have 1 Ethereum remaining 38 days. I have 0.8 Ethereum remaining 48 days. I have to say Ethereum remaining so days. So all these are investment I have with them, the money I have with them. So now, in this money I have with them, I am making 1.4%. Look at it here, 1.4% on daily basis, 4.2% every 6 hours. Now on that 6 hours, if you check it 12 hours, 6 hours, 6 hours, I have 12 hours, which is 1 day, which is a half day. I'm making 1.4% every day. Now, and this every day, this money will be credit money on your balance. Every day, they will be credit money on your balance. Look at this balance here. This balance, they will be crediting you. They will be crediting your balance every day. Every day they will be crediting your balance. Every day they will be crediting your balance. So you can withdraw. You can withdraw it. You can withdraw this particular money. I can decide to withdraw it, and I make my money. I withdraw it. I'll get it directly on my wallet, but I don't think I want to withdraw it. But I don't need money now. I can decide to reinvest the money, which I will do. Now let's calculate how much is here. This is 1.49 something Ethereum. So now when we go, sorry my dear. So let's say, okay, let me see. This 0.49 something. This is $108. This $108 now. This is the amount I have in my balance. I can decide to withdraw it right now. Okay, it's 4.9, not 4.4. Okay, yeah. This $100 and something. I can decide to withdraw this particular money. Now, and I'm getting it in my wallet. Now, let me show you how you can deposit. Now, I'm going to be showing you all this button. All this button right now. All the particular button you are seeing here. What they do. So now, here is balance. Balance is where this balance will be crediting, will be credited every day. They will be crediting you every day, and immediately you click on balance, the new amount, the new current balance will pop up. Are you getting me? So on the deposit, this is where you deposit your money. When you click on deposit, they will give you wallet address to deposit in the money. When you deposit the money, it automatically start trading for you. You don't need to reinvest, don't need to do anything. It automatically start trading for you. Allow it the next day, immediately deposit the money. The next day, this balance will change. They will credit you. You can withdraw from $3 to $3 to any dollar. You can withdraw any dollar. You can withdraw all your amount of money. Actually, the money is on your balance. You can withdraw it. So this withdrawal is where you withdraw your money. You withdraw your money. For example, you need some money. You don't want to reinvest. You can click on withdraw. Then you put in your Ethereum address, and then you click on amount to withdraw. I'm going to be showing you how to be doing that. Are you getting me? Now, you click here, you reinvest. Now, this is very, very important. if you want to be a billionaire, if you want to make money through this platform, this is very, very important. You should be doing every time. So now, for example, now this balance here, I don't want to make use of it. Maybe don't time yet for me to withdraw. I can click on reinvest. If you click on reinvest, they will not give you 1.4%, which is this oh my god, sorry, this 1.4%. They will not be giving you. What's going to happen is that the next money that will be giving you is 2.0% because you all click on the reinvestment. The 1.4% is the first money you will get as you deposit. But if you reinvest this money, if you invest the particular money, they will be giving you 2.4% on daily basis. So I advise you, if you want to make money through this platform, I advise you have to be reinvesting the money, unless you have a problem, you want to solve a problem, you click on withdraw. Then if you withdraw this money, in the next 1 hour or 30 minutes, the money will be credited on your Bitcoin wallet. So I use Ethereum. I use a blockchain to do that, because blockchain has Ethereum, has Bitcoin Cash. So I advise you to click on reinvestment. So now let's look at my team. My team is how many people that I referred. My brother, I have not referred anybody. As I'm telling to you, it's only one person, 2 people I have referred, and those 2 people I referred, one is my friend. He invested 24 Ethereum. I said, I'm going to be showing you 24 Ethereum is about more than $2,000 or $3,000, or if I'm not mistaken. But then it was 2 or 3. No. Should be like 1,000 something dollar or so. So yeah, history, see all the transaction, how much you have earned, amount you have withdraw. So let's particularize this. So now when you click on deposit, now see what's gonna happen. Say please wait, our system generate you ID. Now look at what they tell you. Joe, so please wait, the system generate this new ID. This is a personal Ethereum wallet. Now we click on this, copy this wallet. The particular wallet. Before you paste it, make sure you paste it here to erase some trash, because it usually come with trash. Look at it here. So make sure you erase this thing. Then you copy it back. Then go to your Bitcoin address, Bitcoin account. So Bitcoin account, that my this thing here. So I don't have enough coin right now to use as an example. Where is my blockchain? Blockchain. Okay, should be here. Blockchain don't hide. Alright. Oh my god. Alright, I have it. Alright, 0 pam. Twitter, what is that now? Go and take a bet. As soon as I'm done with the video, we'll go. I have meeting by 9. I'm still doing something. Any problem? So okay, so now let's say I'm gonna be sending shut up your mouth. So okay, please make sure that it's on Bitcoin Cash. So I put Ethereum. So I paste in the address here. This is my unique address. Then I type in the amount. I think I have only $2. I don't know if it will go. So I type in the amount here. So I click on. Alright, it's going. So look at it here. Then I sent. I've sent it $2 now. So then the money comes. You will receive a message that the money have come. Immediately I will receive the message. After doing this, I will show you. So now as I go, I've just sent it money now, $2. Just $2 to my Ethereum to start another investment. So so this is your address. So you got all these messages. Now that is your deposit. Now let's come to withdraw. Like I want to withdraw this particular money here now. I want to withdraw this particular money now. I want to withdraw it. So then I click on this particular withdraw. Let's do that now. But I don't want to withdraw because I don't need the money right now. I don't need it. So I click on withdraw. When you click on withdraw, now they'll ask you your address is not set. Please input new address for withdrawal. Now I want to withdraw my Ethereum to my wallet. So what I'm going to be doing first, is click on log in my blockchain account. Now I'm going to be collecting my blockchain address. Remember, they gave you an address to send you the code. So if you want to withdraw, you're going to be generating your own address. So what I did now is just to click on this particular amount, then request. Look around that here. This is if you want to collect Bitcoin wallets, you use this one. But I'm using Ethereum. That's Ether. So I click on this one, then click on the wallet. Copy this address to the clip. So I advise you that other applications may not be able to look at this information. So you click on yes. I've copied it. So what I'm going to do now to send my address, I've copied it, then I paste it here. Don't remove any of the character, then I send. So you said okay. See what's going to happen. The address has been set. Withdrawal address set successful. Now after you set the address, I'll now come to withdraw again. Now when you click on withdraw, the payment address is this, the address, the one they will be sending you the Bitcoin to. Are you getting me? So payment address, which is this address here. Now this command, watch out so it has a lot of a bit technicality. So the command total to withdraw. Like if I want to withdraw, they're going to be using this command. For example, let me show you now. I want to withdraw and I say the command /out total use. Now if I want to withdraw, what you're going to be doing is that you click on /out. It puts space. Now remember my balance. I have my balance here. My balance here is about 0.4. So I click on 0.417. Then I click on send. I'm not going to be doing that now because I don't need the money right now. Are you getting me? Then 3.7. Then I sent. The moment it's sent, the money will be sent directly on your wallet. It's very, very simple. So now let's look at the history. Now history is just to see how much every amount you have earned so far on the system, all the money you have made so far on the system. The last transaction in 2018. This is look how much I've earned, money. Look at it, the all this money I've made so far on this platform. Man, this is rich. This is huge amount of money. I'm telling you, you don't have to ignore this opportunity. So let's look at my team. I said earlier that I invited my friend to register on this platform. So my friend registered on this platform. When he registered, Mama, I'll slap you. So my friend registered on this. I go to the panel now. Go to the panel now. Sorry guys, my wife is disturbing me. So right now if they has a referral package, you don't need to bring anybody to start making money because this is trading. Are you getting me? So now where the referral system, you get 10%. The first person you referred, like yes, I'm referring you now. If you start up, I'm getting 10% of the money. Using start, you are starting 1,000, 10,000. I'm getting 1,000. You are starting with 100,000. I should be getting 10,000. So 10%. Now they have second level 3%. Like if I invite you now, you invite somebody. So that person I'm getting 3%. So if you now invite another person again, that person invite another person, I'm getting 1%. So it's not really much talking all this talk. So I'm just advising you, invite people so you can make more money. So this is my link here. This is the link. If you want to invite anybody, this is the link you're going to be getting. So click on my team, then you get this link. You're going to be making your money. So then their referral start. People that have referred so far are 7. Now people that have invested are 2, 4. That's why I see total referral. Yeah, now look at me. Total referral. Active referral is 4. I referred 7 people. It's only 4 people have invested money. So let's look at them now. Here I can show active, inactive referral. Let's see the people that have registered but have not referred. So this one is domain. You have not referred. I referred but you have not invested any money. So now I have show active referral. That people that have invested the money. So I have BAT, and this man now BAT 10%. This is Sam 10%. Give them a direct refer 2 people. But now BAT bring this person now, and Jack bring this person. So I am getting 33% from them. So now I'm going to be showing you. Let's look at BAT. sorry. Now, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's look at BAT. Let's see how much is made so far. So now the people I referred, my referred investment is 26 Ethereum. Like referral investment, like people that I referred so far have invested 23 Ethereum. How much I've met for referring people just $200 or $1 million. But people that have invested so far, let's look at 22 Ethereum and see how much is it. Now 23 Ethereum, 26 Ethereum it should be $5,600. People that have invested, people are referred. The people that I referred that invested $5,600. I don't see the reason why you're not going to take this particular opportunity very far. My brother, I want to advise you. If you have any amount of money, please, in the name of God, don't leave that money in your bank account. Don't leave that money in your bank account. Use this money, invest this money. Invest this money. It's going to help you. Withdraw that money. I'm telling you, okay, you know what? If you don't make money on this platform, I will give you your money back. I will drop my phone number here, my WhatsApp number. If you don't make money, if you lost money on this platform, man, I will give you your money back. This is the oath I've taken. Imagine any amount you invested. It's not money for me. With this platform, we don't like. I have a car, I have a land, I have a house. I have a beautiful wife. So God has been faithful with on this online platform. Most of you that know me, I do everything I do online. Some people say I'm into Yahoo. I don't blame them, because you know when you're successful, people don't never know how you started. They will never criticize you when you are not successful. But when you are successful, they'll start looking at how you make it. People impose me, bro. Please show me the way. This is the way. If you want to believe, this is the way. Use money and make money. No matter any amount you have now, even though you put 1 million naira, bro, if you lost, I'm going to be giving you back. But if you make money, you give me 50%. If you agree, we're going to that agreement. Any amount you make, you give me 50% of the money. But if you lose your money, I'm going to be giving you your money back. So I'm going to be dropping my WhatsApp live. Right now, currently I'm not in Nigeria, so I'll be dropping my WhatsApp line so that you can right now I'm at EAU, United Arab Emirates. So I'm gonna be dropping my WhatsApp line. So this is my WhatsApp line here. So George, you get my WhatsApp line, my EAU WhatsApp line. Chat me up anytime you want. Then if you have credit, you can call me. If you can call me WhatsApp call. We can talk. Understand? This is my EAU WhatsApp line. Talk to me. I'm a young guy like you. Talk to me. I think you make a lot of money from it. So I think I've tried showing you this platform, and I've tried my best to make sure that you make money. You eradicate poverty in your life, unless you want to be poor. But if you don't want to be poor, invest your money. Use your money wisely. Stop keeping your money in your bank account. It's not going to help you. So let me use the help button in case you need anybody to contact me. Chat me on WhatsApp. I will be there to make sure that I help you and how you make money on this platform. So if you are not clarifying what I've said so far, if I click on help, then they will tell you about. You can read more about the company and how much referral they are giving you. You can contact that support, live chat and whatever. So you can log into the website with your password. This is your web login. Oh my God. Okay. This is the web login. You're not going to be doing anything there. Just to be chatting them. You can't withdraw from my account. You cannot do anything. I do everything from here. So this is my web login. So if you know that if you want to chop my money, you can't chop it. With the real love login I'm showing you, just showing for showing sake. And this is not Ponzi. Don't call it the Ponzi. It's a trading bot. Cryptocurrency trading. So I think you should utilize this opportunity, and God bless you as it is so. Some people are saying they want to see my face. No problem, you see my face very soon. And God bless you. Thank you very much. One love. I see you at the top. If you make this money, please share my link. Invite more people to invest on this platform. Thank you, God, and God bless you.